Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share you some amazing and creative Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. So friends, let's start today video. Friends, turn a simple water into a glowing Christmas moment. Just add fairy lights, a little green ring, a little green ring, and then adding a touch of glam to my Christmas staple and reverse. Wooden box Christmas centerpiece. A wooden box filled with evergreens, pinecone, candle, farmhouse styles that Christmas at its coziest. Star frame Christmas centerpiece. A star-shaped frame decorated with lights and ornaments. A modern and extra festive centerpiece for your holiday viewers. Friends, jar and bottle Christmas charm. A plain jar or bottle, add lights inside, greens around, and suddenly it become a sweet little Christmas centerpiece. Minimal style, clean lines, simple green and candlelight. A minimal Christmas centerpiece inspired by clean holiday decoration. And friends, snow winter centerpiece, white stone forest texture and a soft winter glow, creating a peaceful snow Christmas look right at home. So I hope you will like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my videos. Allah Hafiz.